Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is pão de queijo, Brazilian cheese bread. But before that, show reel. Welcome to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. Besides delicious food, I'm going to be sharing with you my traveling and my lifestyle. I hope you come along with me in this journey. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this delicious Brazilian cheese bread. We're going to start with 150 milligrams of water, 150 milligrams of milk, and 150 milligrams of olive oil. You can put any oil that you want. We're gonna stir a little bit and let it heat. And I'm gonna add to this 1 tablespoon of flour, and in a little bit of salt. It's about 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're just gonna mix a little bit and let it heat until it boils. And when it does, we're gonna add the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna add 500 milligrams of tapioca. You can find that on Amazon, and I'm gonna put a link so it would be easier for you to get it. With the tapioca, we are going to just pour the hot mix of water, milk and oil, and we're going to kind of mix them up. Now it's looking pretty good, so I'm gonna add the 3 eggs. I'll just keep mixing them up until everything looks very consistent. Now I'm going to be adding 250 milligrams of white cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese, or you can use also parmesan cheese, or a mix of mozzarella and parmesan. It's up to you. Now we mix all together, and when it's all mixed, we're going to make little balls. It looks pretty good, so now we're ready to make the little chips balls. I'm gonna be using a container with a little bit of oil just to put it in my hands before I make the balls, the little cheese balls. Every once in a while, when you feel like it, you just put a little bit more oil in your hands. And this way, you don't need to put any oil or any grease on the pan. Now we're going to put this on a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Wasn't that easy to make? And it's going to taste delicious too.
Alright, look at our bread. It's marvelous. Let's now try one. It smells good. Crunchy.
Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share with your friends and comment down below how you like this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next time. Bye bye.